my name is Shivani Marathe and welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you've read by the title, today's video is gonna be a Urbanic haul. So recently I purchased some stuffs from Urbanic. It's only clothes that I've purchased. I didn't purchase any jewelry and everything. So I'll be showing you what all I purchased from Urbanic. So without wasting any time, let's get straight into the video. Okay, so let's start with the first piece of clothing. So the first piece of clothing I have here is this top. So this is a full necked top, like it's all, yeah, this full is see-through. These are the sleeves. So there's a little puff sleeve type here. It's full sleeves and the front part is like this. So here it's elastic all, and this is amazing. I wore it like once, like for trying and everything, and I didn't feel hot or anything like that. This material, I don't think I felt like sweating or something like that. I don't know, I have to try it and wear it like for more hours, then I don't know. But then overall I liked this top. It's very trendy and it's very nice. You can wear it for like skirts or jeans or any pants. This goes with anything and everything. And I got this for rupees 903. The MRP, I don't know, it's given 1290. They've scratched it and written 903. So yeah, I got this for rupees 903 and it's a full thumbs up from my side. I love this product. Amazing. Moving on to the second outfit, I have this oversized t-shirt here. It's really pretty. It's really pretty. I'm telling you, oversized t-shirts, nobody would have told it's pretty, but then I'm telling you, it's really pretty. It's this lime green sort of color, neon green, sorry, not what's lime green, yeah, so neon green sort of color. It has like print all over in the middle telling some ice cream or something. So yeah, this is the second outfit. You can wear this with boyfriend jeans, track pants, joggers, shorts, anything. This will go with anything. You can even wear it at house and sleep. This is so comfortable. The material is amazing. It's so good. It's really nice. It's really nice. So the material, amazing. The color, I bought this shirt mainly for the color because I love neon green. I love anything in the neon shades. I love it. So yeah, this is also a thumbs up from my side. And the price of this is rupees 841. It's given 990, but then I got it for 841. And yeah, it's amazing. Moving on to the third outfit. Next we have this Tanquest. Yeah, it's this olive green color. Oh my god, from like past, I guess 4 or 5 months, I've been obsessing over olive green and I wanted something in the olive green shades like so badly. So finally I got my hands on this top. It's amazing. It's really nice. It's a crop top. Obviously it's a crop top, as you can see. So it's olive green and it has stripes on it, something like ribbed material, but then the material is not ribbed. It just has the pattern of ribbed material, but then it's a little satin. Yeah, it's not around the cotton areas, but then it's little satin, and it might cause a little irritation during the summers when you like start sweating and everything. This material tries and causes little irritation, but then I feel you have a lot of ventilation in this top, so it'll all save you from that. So also I got this for 490 rupees. This is amazing. Really big thumbs up from my side. I'm gonna tell thumbs up for mostly all the products because I love all the products. It's amazing. They have such good quality dresses. Yeah, period. So yeah, this is the top. Moving on to the fourth outfit, I have this tube top right here. So it's in coffee color and it has prints of like flowers all over it, or are these butterflies? I don't know. So yeah, these, they have prints of, I guess, flowers and leaves only, and the base color is coffee and easily stretchable because it's a tube top, and it's really pretty. You can wear this with anything like skirt, boyfriend jeans, joggers, anything. Yeah, with like pants. Yeah, it'll look amazing. And I got this for rupees 790. Yeah, amazing. Thumbs up. Moving on to outfit number 5, I have this skirt right here. It's a really pretty skirt. I know it's all in the shades of pink, lavender, white, and yeah, it's pretty. The minute I saw this skirt, I was like, I want this. I really want this. So yeah, it's a skirt, and it has a print of like pink squares and lavender squares and white, and it has lines of pink, and it's really pretty. There was a sweater vest kind of thing in the similar pattern, and I also bought that, but then I removed it from the cart because there was no size. Yeah, apparently it was one size or something and I didn't get that, so I ended up buying only the skirt, and the skirt was for 841 rupees, so it was for 990 and got it for 841. So it's really pretty. A big thumbs up for this product because the material is a little like, what do you say, something in the you know, lines of silk or something like that, but then the inside material is really comfortable. You know, there is no chance of you getting irritation of the material from inside. It's outside is just a little slippery, but then inside material is really good. Moving on to outfit 6, it is this jeans. It's boyfriend jeans. So yeah, this is the outfit. Yeah, it's amazing. It's amazing. I wanted boyfriend jeans from so long, and finally I got this, and it was for rupees 980. So basically it was for 1690, got for 980. So it's wide leg jeans, denim, dark blue color, and it's really pretty. And it also has, you know, you can adjust the, you know, like your waist. Yeah, so not adjust your waist, basically adjust the pant according to your waist. So yeah, I have never seen this in any of my pants, like what I use, so this is new to me. Yeah, so this is the 6th product, and it's really good. It has pockets at the back, pockets at the front. Yeah, it is, pocket is there. Yeah, so yeah. On to the 7th and the last product is again jeans. Again, it's the wide leg jeans, but then this is not as wide as that. Yeah, and this is in light blue color denim. It has sunflower, or I don't know whether this is sun itself. No, I think it's sun. Yeah, I don't know. It has print on like both. No, only one, sorry. It has on this, and it has this small pocket here and a pocket here as well, and back pockets as well. So yeah, see, this is not as wide as the other jeans. It's only this much. The other one, the dark denim, the dark color one, was much more wider, but then both are wide leg jeans itself. And oh my god, the material of this is so soft and it's so amazing. Thumbs up. So yeah, this was the last product. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope this was helpful. Hope you liked hope these reviews of the products were helpful. And if you want more such content, just comment down below and give it a thumbs up, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Be safe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.